What are the odds that as I was in the process of editing this video, I got a knock on the door and I'm thinking, I'm not expecting anyone. You know when you're not expecting anyone to knock on your door. You're not expecting any packages. You're not expecting any friends or family to show up. It's a free day. You're just chilling. Get a knock on the door. I check and it's a box. Well, I look inside the box and it's a trophy. Instead of telling you, why don't I just show you? Let me just show you. Check this out. I kid you not. I just got this in the mail. 𝐁𝐿 Executive Club presented to Justin Mueller for passing $100,000 in profit with 𝐁𝐿. Let's take it out of the box and let's close it. Check this out. Are you kidding me? Executive Club presented to Justin Mueller. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put this on my desk. I have to put this on my desk. There's no other place that I should put it. I mean, look at this. Look at this. I just gotta maneuver some stuff on my desk, but I'll figure it out. I will figure it out. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Maybe I'll put it in my office. I think it'll look better in my office, but look at that. 𝐁𝐿 Executive Club. Oh my gosh. Let's take a closer look at it. Look at that. Yeah, oop, just scratched my desk. Oh well. Mwah. I love it. I love it. You know, I played a lot of sports when I was a kid, got a lot of trophies, first place, second place, stuff like that, but this is probably, hands down, my #1 trophy I've ever earned in my entire life. This right here. Oh, man. No broker does this. No broker sends a trophy for traders making 6 figures or $1 million. No broker does that. That's why this caught me off guard. I was not expecting that. I mean, would you expect to get a knock on the door? Oh, we have a package for you. I'm like, I didn't order anything. Well, it's a package for you. Guy hands me the box. Look at it. Open it up. Trophy. Come on. Like, look at this. Just look at this. I'm scared I'm going to drop it, but Nick, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And yeah, when I make $1 million, send me a bigger trophy.